Have you ever wanted to talk to aliens? Well, forget NASA. All you need is a microwave. Step 1. Place a bag of popcorn inside. Aliens love popcorn. It's universal. Step 2. Set the timer to exactly 3 minutes and 14 seconds. That's pi. It tells aliens you're intelligent. Step 3. Stand very close and whisper your message into the microwave vent. Don't shout. They hate loud humans. Step 4. Wait for the beeps. That's not your food. That's the aliens texting back. Warning. If the microwave door opens by itself, do not panic. That's not the popcorn. That's abduction protocol. Run. Bonus step. If you really want their attention, type 58008 into a calculator, flip it upside down, and place it on top of the microwave. Aliens recognize this ancient human code. It basically means, we come in peace. Sort of. And there you have it. First contact, right from your kitchen. Just remember, never press defrost. That's the alien equivalent of swearing. And don't forget to subscribe before the mothership hovers over your house.